Just picked up some new baby chicks. Hopefully these guys will get bigger and start laying some eggs for us later on. Come here. You guys doing okay? Stay nice and warm? Yeah? Okay. Come here. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, I'll get in the corner. Okay, oops. Let's fix your lamp. Alright, baby chicks for our chicken pen. Chicken pen with our one rooster, one chicken, and one guinea hen left. I had to keep them locked up because the hawks were getting them. I'm gonna give them some leftover pizza. They love that. Give them some scratch corn. They like pizza. They love leftover pizza. I got a inside coop for them. That way you can see that. Still got the water on the warmer. It's still getting chilly down here. See if we got any eggs. Oh, none today. Had 3 yesterday. Not too bad. And that's my chickens so far. But I got the 6 brand new ones. Hopefully in a few weeks I'll add to them. Thanks for watching.